George, and I'm back again. And I'm here to go to war. It's George, and I'm here, and I'm going to explain a couple things, and I'm going to prove to everybody that I am right. I don't need an expert to look at this stuff. I sent somebody a picture like they wanted, and they looked at the picture. Well, we can't be sure unless we see it. So the picture thing, it just doesn't work. Okay, now there's a little thing that I didn't know until I was looking it up online and I found it. The Goose Lake meteorite. Okay, 2,580 pounds. Left no crater, and it's non-magnetic. 2,500 pounds of iron that's non-magnetic. Okay, well, I happen to find a piece. This piece of iron is non-magnetic. I can't get a magnet to stick to it. Okay, so why is all that important? It goes back to the meteorite map video that I made. Okay, Goose Lake, California, where this was found, is in a straight line from Woodland, Washington on the map. Which means the Goose Lake meteorite is probably an 1833 meteorite that came in. But, like I said, nobody wants to help, everybody wants to doubt, and it's fine. And a 2,500 pound meteorite leaving no crater, and a 66 ton meteorite leaving no crater, there's a reason for it. And I've explained it in my videos. And like I said, you don't have to believe, you can believe, you don't have to. It doesn't matter. Well, anyways, we're gonna go to why people are having a hard time understanding what I'm getting at, okay? This set of rocks right here, okay. They look like normal rocks, okay? But when you take this rock and you wire brush this coating off, that is what you get. Okay? Same way with this one. Okay? I wire brush the coating off, and that is what you get. But they're in the form of rocks. They look like rocks. Okay. Now it's going to get better as we go along. Okay. These ones I sanded. Okay. These ones I sanded. This is iron. And this is old iron because I couldn't get all this stuff off. Anybody can tell by looking at the gloss on these. This is iron. It's iron. Okay. And I sanded some completely down all the way around so people would understand. Now we'll go to over here. We'll go to this. Okay. These are solid metal. And it gets better as I'm going along. Now, if I'm correct, this is a piece of iridium, the rarest metal on Earth in a whole rock form, but it's metal. Now we're going to look really close at it. Now why do I say iridium? Okay? One, it's the silvery shiny white color. Two, it's got this yellowish hue to it. That doesn't come off. But you look at the whole thing, you can tell this is metal. Now, whether people want to believe it or not, that's fine. I'm getting to the really good one. That's really going to be unexplainable. Okay, but this one's kind of interesting too, because it was real shiny when I wire brushed it, and now it's almost like a shiny black, but it was shiny silver. I could actually see my reflection, and I can't see it as good as it was. But this is solid metal. Same thing with this. This is solid metal. You can tell by looking at these. Anybody that's worked with metal knows this is metal. Okay, but they're rocks. They're in rock form. And I've tried to explain this to people before. Okay? Now this part wouldn't come off. Okay? And now, for the one that is really bizarre and will probably maybe go viral with the video, is this one right here that I found. This is one of the most bizarre things. I wire brushed this whole thing. But when you look at this, that red color is in with this metal. Get a real good close-up of it. And whatever this stuff is that's glossy and shiny on it, it doesn't come off the rock. I should say the meteorite, because people aren't getting what I'm saying. But if you look at this, I have no idea what this is. Anyways, I hope this video proves my point. Okay? You can't have metal rocks like this, and look how smooth that is. Okay? But you want fingerprints. Okay? There's your fingerprint. Small fingerprints this one is so spectacular. This is a solid piece of metal, but it looks like a rock. Now, if you're having a hard time finding meteorites, it's because people don't know what they're looking for. Okay? I do. I've gone through enough of these rocks. I sanded enough of them down. I get nothing but metal, 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 metal. Okay? A lot of it I don't know. And a lot of it is different colors of metals. But it is what it is.